welcome or welcome back to the family. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wamboi, and in case the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful face, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you will be the first one to be notified. So guys, on our today's video, it's all about beauty, most on our hair, that is on my dreadlocks. So guys, it has been a while since I showed you guys the oil I really use on my hair. I showed you the Radiant. Other than that, I had showed you, it was like last year when I used to be at home. I was using a mixture of certain oils, and I have them. I'll attach a video here to show you the oils that I'm using, but still I'm gonna show you guys the oils as I mix them, because since I bought them I've not actually used them. And today I was like, because I want to really oil my hair, let me just mix everything up and I show you guys the oil that I'm going to use. And of course, after using it for a period of time, I'm going to review that oil. Those oils, I don't know. Oh, by the way, and my nails, they are 2 weeks in, still intact. Yes guys, I really love these nails. I think the only thing that will make me remove them is because of the growth. You see, yeah, I've already started growing. So guys, let me show you what I have here. Wow, I have a lot of oils here. So this is an empty spray bottle. Yeah, this one is empty. Yeah, that's where I'm going to do all the mixing. And then I have this one. This one is full. Yeah, styling, dreads, conditioning spray, moisture splash with softeners, and proteins. Yes. Then I'm going to mix this one with this coconut oil. Yeah, suitable for hair and skincare. So this one I can actually use it on my skin and also on my hair, but the fact that it's just scent free. So yeah, coconut oil. And then I was actually melting it, so that's why like a bottle looks like this, because it had already solidified. And then I have this that olive oil. Yeah, these two I'm going to mix it. Ideal olive oil, pure extra virgin olive oil. This is so not refined. And then I have this castor oil. I'm going to mix all these 4 different oils for my hair, and I'm going to put it here. Yeah, so this one is empty, so I'm going to put half of this. Then I think I should put the whole of this, but I don't know. Yeah, so let me do the mixing. So I'm going to put them here. We'll start with this castor oil. Yeah. I was told these are good mixture. Okay, my sister has dreadlocks and her dreadlocks are so cute. So she told me this is what she usually uses. Like since she started, she has been using this mixture of oil. So this is just a DIY. Don't come for me or saying, I told someone to use this, what. But this one is just normal oil. So yeah, but disclaimer, this is just a DIY. I don't really want to put all of it because I'm sure I'm just going to use half of the styling, what is it called, styling dreads spray, inaitwa moisture splash, plus I'm mixing all of them. And then guys, if you feel you see that I'm a little bit dull, yeah, I'm not feeling that well, but anywho, I'm going to be well always, provided I'm shooting. Yeah. Ooh. Provided I'm shooting a video for you guys, I should either be well or well. So, and today is on Sunday at night. Yeah, I've realized I need a video for Tuesday. Yeah, I've just realized, oh, Tuesday is coming. And then guys, I've been used to posting videos the days that I'm not supposed to be posting them. Like, you'll find I've posted a video on Saturday. I don't know whether I'm becoming lazy. I'm not supposed to be lazy. Wow. This oil, and I'm shooting this video on my bed. Wow. This goes well. And then guys, see how my hair is black? You remember we dyed it, right? We dyed it black. But I'm waiting until when I'll wash it and see how it's gonna be. Another one. So this one was the one that was full. So half of it, I'm going to put it here. Yeah, half. This one feels so heavy because it has the rest of the oils. Yeah, and then I'm of course going to mix. So this is how it looks. And so now I can go with it. Ooh. So this one contains everything. Don't worry, I'm looking at the screen. So every morning I'll be applying this oil. Yeah. But it's at night. Lakini I was oiling my hair, the Radiant, because I was feeling a little bit itchy. Yeah, I was feeling itchy. So yes guys, that's all I was doing. Yeah, so the rest I'll mix the other one after this one has finished. Yep. Or should I actually just do it? I don't know. Let me see. Should actually just do it, right? But when will it ever finish? I don't know whether you guys can feel. this is the one without the mixture, and then the big one is the one with the oils. So I'll do the other one after this one is finished. So yes guys, that is all for today guys. That is all. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe and like this video. Comment down below anything that you want to tell me, what you feel about this video, any video you'd want to see me do. There's a video I was requested to do about an intro. Guys, I've not yet settled on the kind of intro that I really want. I was thinking I should make an intro, a good one, and yeah, I'm still contemplating on what to really do, because I need a short catchy intro for my videos. Yes guys, thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, and also like, share, comment, and always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye. I love you so much.